So, you're at a career crossroads, wrestling with the age-old question: project management or an MBA? Let's break it down in 90 seconds. First up, project management. Think focus skills. You'll learn to plan, execute, and close projects efficiently. This is a direct path to managing real-world initiatives, making you a master of organization and problem-solving. Now, the MBA is broader, covering finance, marketing, and strategy. You'll get a holistic view of business, which is excellent for leadership roles and understanding the bigger picture. Salary-wise, both offer solid earning potential. Entry-level project managers might start slightly lower, but experienced PMs with certifications can quickly catch up. MBAs often command higher starting salaries, but remember the MBA price tag. Project management roles are ideal if you thrive in structured environments and enjoy seeing tangible results quickly. Industries like construction, IT, and healthcare are constantly seeking skilled project managers. MBAs open doors to diverse industries and leadership positions. However, the workload can be intense, with long hours and high-pressure decision-making. So, which is better? It depends on you. If you crave immediate impact and thrive in structured environments, project management is your path. If you aspire to lead at a strategic level and want a broad business foundation, consider an MBA. Ultimately, both paths offer rewarding careers. Research your options, network, and choose the one that aligns with your passion and long-term goals. Good luck.